Hello, my name is Jake with Classic Trim Parts, and today I'll show you how to replace the vanity mirror on Mercedes R129 and A124 sun visors. These are known for cracking and breaking, so you can see this top plate broke off the vanity mirror, as well as even the mirror cracking. So we offer replacements that can be found on our website. The first step to replacing the vanity mirror is to locate on the new mirror you just purchased two tabs, and that will be this tab and the tab over here. And you can see that there's a small indent on the plastic up here. Find that indent on the old mirror, and you can see there's a little opening right there and on this side as well. So take a small screwdriver, flathead, and put it in that indent and pop it up. And you can see that it comes apart from the backing plate that will be inside, and all you want to do is, once you get that up, take a small object and run it across. This will make the mirror pop up just like that, and you can pull it off. Now that you've got the top piece of the vanity mirror removed, the next step will be to remove the backing plate and electronics. So there are 6 screws that hold this in, 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. Just remove those screws and you can take apart the backing plate and electronics. So I've removed the 6 screws, and you can just pull this middle piece off like that, set that aside, and you can now just pop out the backing plate. Comes out pretty easily. And then take your new backing plate, and you want to locate this middle tab here. That has to go on top so the sun visor can snap in properly. So set that in place. Put the electronics back in with this lever lining up with that tab I mentioned before. And then just replace the 6 screws. So now with the screws replaced, you're going to take your new mirror and find these 2 tabs on the top left and right of the new mirror, and you're going to slide those into these openings here on the backing plate. Make sure the mirror is closed when you're doing this, and always put the top part in first, not the side that opens. So just slide it into the openings and fold it down, and then push down to make it snap in. If you open it slightly, you may be able to push it down a little easier. And that is the complete instructions on how to install the vanity mirrors and replace the old ones. If you visit our website, classictrimparts.com, you can view this product as well as many others, such as these trim caps. We also have dome light covers for R129 and A124 vehicles. So check out our website for more products, and thank you for watching.